أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على النبي الكريم. Okay, this is a short video on how to use Google Meet and how to use Google Meet as an alternative for I think Collaborate Ultra. You know, sometimes our Collaborate Ultra may be down, so we can use Google Meet as an alternative. So we're going to use how we're going to see, or the essence of this video is to show us how to use Google Meet within Blackboard. The consultants have done a good job. They created a link where we can do that. So let me just delve into it. Let me start by selecting any one of my courses. Okay, and let me create a new content area. You can call it anything. Let me call it Matalan Google Meet. Okay, all right. Well, I'll make it available. All right, so I have Google Meet. Now this link is available to students, right? I want to use this to create a link in such a way that the students can join my classes. The first thing I need to know is that I need to know the meeting patterns of my class that I want to create using Google Meet. Anyway, to do that, you simply need to come to build content, and you go to, there's an option now. This option wasn't there before, but as I said, the consultants have done a good job by adding this link. Yeah, so we just click on this and just wait a little bit. Sometimes it takes a bit of time before it comes. Okay, so here, this is where you can create the meeting pattern. So you specify what is the title of the meeting. Within this course, I can call it whatever the course is. Let's say CS 378, let's say lecture class. Right, then you need to specify when is the class. The date, that's the, I'll give it today's date so that we see how it works, right? But when you're setting the meeting pattern, you need to make sure that it is in line with what you have on your schedule. So I'll pick today's date, specify the time. Let me give it a time now. It's 9:31. Let me make it, okay, I cannot make it that, okay, let's say 10. Let me change it to 9, okay. Need it to be 9. Let's see, 9:33 a.m. All right, and it ends today at what time? Let's say 11. 11 is okay. Simply try and Google Meet. Google Meet through Blackboard. Okay, so let's see. I have that. So one of the issues I notice here is that, you know, usually when you're creating, or when we are creating our sessions using Collaborate Ultra, we have an option where you can specify it weekly, or even on Google Meet. So you can specify that you want to have this lecture weekly, or you repeat the number of times you want to have it in a week, twice, or whatever it is, and you set it once, and that's it. But here I don't see that option anywhere. Anyways, this is the way it is, the interface we have so far. You click on create. Okay, just wait a little bit, the meeting will be created. Now the meeting is created, right? And this, since I made it available, the students can access this, and I can access it, and I can also share that. So to join the class, you simply click on this. Okay, I'll wait a little bit. The target page cannot be opened within the content due to screen. Click on the link below. Maybe some security issues. Okay, I need to log in. Let's say I log in using my account. Okay, so it takes me directly from the link I created here. From the link I created there through Blackboard, it allows me to log into here so I can join the meeting, right? So basically, I can copy this link and send it to students in case they don't have access to Blackboard. If they have problem with Blackboard, you can copy it and send it to them, right? But this is exactly Google Meet, and I access it. I created it using Blackboard, and I can access it using Blackboard. But the interface is the same as the Google Meet that we've been using. You can present, you can do so many things. You can share your video, right? If you're familiar with this interface or with this environment, it's exactly the same. But the thing is, I didn't create it outside I didn't create it. Sorry, I created it using Google Meet, as you've seen, right? So that's how it works. I hope this is going to be helpful to us, and I hope the consultants can work on improving the interface so that we can make it repeatable. Okay, so I can stop recording now.